presented at the request of Kern County Emergency Services of California. This is a message from Kern County Sheriff's Office and Kern County Fire Department. Tilly Creek water flow, new notification, evacuation order details below. SS Union Menzies, Delaware Emergencia. Para Espanol, Blaine, Alabama 2-1-1. Grouches. If you live or work in or near the Wolford Heights area, please pay close attention to this message. A water flow has become a threat to areas near Wolford Heights. An evacuation order is in effect in the Tilly Creek Communities area, Evans Road south through Old State Road between Wilford Boulevard west to Arnold Springs Drive. This is a lawful order to leave now and seek shelter away from the area. The area is lawfully closed to public access. An evacuation order will likely be the last order given. An evacuation center is being set up. The location of the center is at the Elks Lodge, 6708 Wilford Boulevard, Wilford Heights, California, 93285. It is advised that you should also monitor your local media for updated information. Evacuation transportation assistance for those residents with physical limitations will be offered until 1:30 p.m. If you require evacuation assistance, please call the Aging and Adult Services hotline at 1-855-264-6565 before 1:30 p.m. We cannot guarantee assistance will be offered after the time. If you have an emergency,
Rain today and tonight, high 65, low 54. Chance of rain Saturday.